Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate S3 event notifications for triggering Lambda data jobs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate S3 event notifications for triggering Lambda data jobs, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service by searching for S3 in the service menu. Select the S3 bucket for which you want to configure event notifications. On the Buckets Overview page, locate the Properties tab and click on it. Scroll down to the Event Notifications section. Click on the Create Event Notification button. Enter a name for your event notification in the name field. In the Event Types section, choose one or more event types you want to trigger the Lambda function. For example, you can select Put 4 object creation events. Next, specify the prefix and suffix if you want to filter events based on object key names. In the Destination section, select Lambda function as the target for the event notification. Choose the Lambda function you intend to trigger from the drop-down menu. If your Lambda function is not listed, ensure it is in the same AWS region as your S3 bucket. After selecting your Lambda function, review the settings and ensure everything is correct. Click on the Save Changes button to create the event notification. Now, open the Lambda service by searching for Lambda in the service menu. Select the Lambda function that you configured to receive S3 event notifications. In the Functions dashboard, find the Configuration tab and click on it. Scroll down to the Permissions section and click on the execution role linked to your Lambda function. In the IAM role page, click on the Policy Actions drop-down and select Attach Policies. Search for and attach the necessary permissions that allow your Lambda function to access S3. Make sure to include at least the permission for S3 getObject. After attaching the required permissions, return to your Lambda function. Now, test the setup by uploading an object to the configured S3 bucket. Once the upload is complete, check the Monitoring tab in your Lambda function dashboard. Confirm that the invocation count has increased, indicating the function has been triggered. Review the logs in CloudWatch to see the details of the Lambda execution. This confirms that the S3 event notifications and Lambda triggers are functioning correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.